So guys, when you hit the update button, the thing goes away, right? So like it goes away, and then when you go back, it just pops up back again. And you're like, damn, bro, I really can't use it. And then it says right here that, you know, oh man, you need to be on iOS 6. I mean, not iOS 6, but you need to be on iOS 16.0 to be able to like even do anything with this application. So basically, I use this app on the regular. Basically, I'm like a top tier football fan, you know, like, so I really want to use this thing and I don't have any other devices. So like basically I need this application supported. How, like, please, like, I need this application to be on this phone, and this is my favorite phone, and I need it to be supported. So what do I do?
Bring it back.
What is up, guys? TSGS today coming at you with another video, and in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to get your application to work again, since some of these developers, they're always constantly telling you like, hey, you need this app version in order for this thing to work. So this video is going to be showing you exactly that, how to get it working without even abiding to the rules of these developers, these greedy developers that want your phone, your beautiful phone, to be just gone and out of existence. You know what I mean? But guys, without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I am back, by the way. I'm gonna try my best to you know, upload more videos as I see fit. But guys, jailbreaking has kind of like, you know, went like this to, so I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I'm just gonna try my best to keep up with what's going on and try to provide more videos out just for you guys. Anyways, guys, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys need is obviously a jailbreak, and as you guys can see from the aesthetic, the beautiful zipline tweak here, you already know that I'm already jailbreaking. Alrighty guys, so what you're gonna do is go on Studio right now. So let's get on that right now. And guys, after you have done that good jazz, all you have to do now is go on packages. And guys, once you're on packages, well, you know, oh wait, not packages. Damn, it's been a long time, bro. You want to go on sources, and once you're on sources, you want to hit that button, that's the plus sign button right up top, and you want to hit the add source manually. So let's go here and add that manually real quick. And all you need to do is basically type in the source. I'm gonna also leave the link down in the description. So let's go here and tap that out. And it's basically that right there. The first thing right there is a 0. But what you guys can do is just go down in the description and just copy the whole thing and paste it on here. But anyways, guys, once you've done that good jazz, once you wrote the source all the way down there to the T. Anyways, what you're gonna do is you want to tap on sources, add sources, and it should basically just add it real quick. So right here, it might say that I have nothing in the application, but all you have to do is just basically just tap on the source itself, and there you go. You will be able to have all these variety of categories that you can install from. But what we're gonna do is we want to go on tweaks, and guys, what you need to do is install this tweak right here. It's basically on top right there. It's called 3D app version spoofer. And guys, with that application, your worries of trying to, you know, like buy a new phone. Yo, what's good, bro? Not much. Hey, you gonna come to the game? All right, awesome. Hey, did you see what I just sent you? Yeah, bro. By the way, I'm gonna be at the game too as well. The South Dakota game. Is that what you said? Yeah. Did you guys practice yesterday? So with that being said, guys, just hit that thing right there and just press on get. And once you tap on get, go onto the queue and just hit the packages and press confirm. And we should be good. After that, all you have to do is just basically respring your device. And after that, I'm gonna be telling you guys what to do next. Alright guys, once your tweak is installed, all you gotta do is go back into the device once again, and all you need to do now is just go and find an application that you feel that, you know, you've been wrong for these applications, whichever application that is. But my application is which one is it? It's called PL. So basically, so guys, when you hit the update button, the thing goes away, right? So like it goes away, and then when you go back, it just pops up back again. and you're like, damn, bro, I really can't use it. And then it says right here that, you know, oh man, you need to be on iOS 6. I mean, not iOS 6, but you need to be on iOS 16.0 to be able to like even do anything with this application. So basically, I use this app on the regular. Basically, I'm like a top tier football fan, you know, like, so I really want to use this thing and I don't have any other devices. So like basically I need this application supported. How, like, please, like, I need this application to be on this phone, and this is my favorite phone, and I need it to be supported. So what do I do? And guys, I'm like, damn, bro, that's crazy. So I'll never use this application ever again until I came up with this method. So basically, guys, all you need to do is just get out of all of this stuff and go back out. And when you go back to your application and just like, you know, hold the application, and it should pop up with this with these options right here. And the first option is the one that you want to click. So let's go here and click that application. I mean that option. All right, beanbag is crazy, bro. All right, anyways, guys, so there's this part right here where you can do, we don't really need that, but guys, the only things that we need to experiment with is that enter version number and enter iOS version. The top one is not optional, the bottom one is optional. But guys, for this application, for my application specifically, I need to enter the iOS version number. So guys, in order to get all this information, all you need to do is go back out, and like I said, when you go back to the application itself, it tells you like, hey man, you gotta update this application, bro. We can't have you be on this application and using this man, what am I trying to say? We can't be we can't be letting you use this application if you're not gonna update your phone. So like when you go hit update, it's gonna bring you to this area right here, right? All right. The only information you need is this number right here. This is the number that we need, and we also need this number right here, which is 424, and the iOS version number is 16.0. So guys, once we have all that information, just exit out. Go back into the application by, you know, hitting that little hold on to the application, and this information will pop up. Just hit the spoof app version, and when you're there, just type in the numbers that we collected from the information mechanism. So 16.0, and then right at the bottom we're gonna hit 4.2.5, and from then on, all you have to do is just hit set spoofed version. And once you have done that good jazz, all you have to do now is just basically install the application. And from then on, the application works. It works, guys. Like, I've never seen such thing, bro. Like, I thought I was gonna, like, you know, just be done with this. Like, I was never gonna be a fan anymore. But like, look, guys, I'm back to being a fan. Like, now I can like check the scoreboard of whatever. Like, you don't really need an That's why I hate people who develop applications. Like, bro, like, why, bro? Just let it, like, once the application has already reached a certain version that can be supported, bro, just let it go. Like, leave it for the other people that have these iPhones, bro. Like, there are some people out there that want to be stuck on a certain version of an application. So leave them be, bro. But I get it. It's like security this, security that. You need a latest version in order to be protected from your data. Bro, relax. Alright guys, so basically that is the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Well, thank you again for watching this video. TSG Asset is signing off.
In the spot, I've been making more videos than I thought. I'll be tweeting every single week, every day. Every day has been the hardest for me, but I keep going, yeah, keep going. Every time I go in, I try to quit, but I can't, because I'm all about it. I cannot stop about it. I love YouTube, I make YouTube my thing. I cannot stop and can't, no, yeah.